I am Aisali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we are adding some important news.
Adding news from Rawalpindi as per ISPR. Chief of Army Staff General Syed Asim Munir visited the Tila Field Firing Range today to witness exercise Hammer Strike, a high-intensity field training exercise conducted by Pakistan Army's Mangla Strike Corps. Upon arrival, the Chief of Army Staff was received by the Corps commander. The exercise was meticulously designed to validate combat readiness, battlefield synergy, and the operational integration of cutting-edge weapon systems under near battlefield conditions. A diverse array of advanced capabilities, including multi-role fighter aircraft, combat aviation assets, long-range precision artillery, and next-generation field engineering techniques were employed to simulate conventional battlefield scenarios. Troops from all arms and services demonstrated exceptional tactical cohesion, agility, and lethality during synchronized offensive maneuvers, reflecting an extraordinary level of training and professionalism. Notably, the exercise showcased Pakistan Army's increasing absorption of niche and emerging technologies to augment its kinetic and non-kinetic operational capabilities. During the visit, Chief of Army Staff loved the high morale, combat proficiency, and war-fighting spirit of the officers and troops, terming them the embodiment of Pakistan Army's operational excellence. Addressing the troops, the Chief of Army Staff reaffirmed the unyielding resolve of Pakistan's armed forces to defend the nation's sovereignty and territorial integrity at all costs. Let there be no ambiguity, and military misadventure by India will be met with a swift, resolute, and notch-up response. While Pakistan remains committed to regional peace, our preparedness and resolve to safeguard national interest is absolute, he stated. Exercise Hammer Strike stands as a testament to Pakistan Army's pursuit of continuous transformation through rigorous training, doctrinal innovation, and technological modernization. Senior military leadership, formation commanders, and dignitaries from various services witnessed the exercise.
For more updates, connect with Saiban News HD.